YouTube, it's Joe. Today is Friday, December the 11th, 2020, and I'm just going through and we're hitting the little islands here. There's one here, one over there, and one over there. Zoom in here so you can see it real quick. So there's an island, and there's an island, and here's an island. Well, I call it an island. So here we go. This has just got some glitter on it that we want to vacuum up. Show you here. See some of it there. So we're just going to go through, vacuum it up from where they've decorated a little bit. So here we go. See right there, some of the glitter. Zoom out a little bit for you. Alrighty YouTube, so we went through and vacuumed it up real good, and I'm gonna do the edges, take my attachment off, do the edges, but just want to show you what I was into in this janitorial account here in Crestwood, Kentucky. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.